Right, hello everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Fast Talk, the fast food review show where I talk about fast food, talking faster about it, and we're going to take a look at a new Oreo item, and that is the firework Oreos. Yes, they're here right before, or around the summertime for July 4th, something like that. It's okay if it comes like a month early, so we're going to take a look at it. So, yeah, let's go ahead and taste them.
Do you really want to taste it? Make a move extreme. Make a shortcut to your dreams. Float straight to the stars on that flying thing. Getting high. Getting stoked like game. Pick a two, chick a bone in a world beyond. Got a heat on the phony string. Your world apart.
It's looking interesting to see what we got with popping candy. Ooh. Man, I remember Pop Rocks. Like, why has one done like Pop Rocks? I doubt that would work as an energy drink if Ghost or Rise or one of those companies made like Pop Rocks. I feel like that wouldn't work as a drink. But I could see, like, they made ices into sandwich cookies. Check out that video. I don't know, but there's an ingredients list there. If you want to go and read that, you can. Go ahead and try these. Oh, there it is. Oreo has the flip opener. There it is. Alright, looks like we got your regular Oreo with some coloring there. Autofocus. There we go. I haven't had an Oreo in a while. I mean, it's just a regular Oreo. Guys, hear that? Popping. They're pretty good though. Like, I think it's just an added factor of them just having the Pop Rocks in it. I think that's what the added factor is. I like them. I'm gonna keep eating them. Yeah, they're not like mind-boggling. It's not like they brought back Swedish Fish Oreos or anything. But sorry, take a drink of something. This is really dry. Want some more snack reviews? You can check out this video. You can also check out a playlist that'll be popping up here of any other snack reviews and for the Sunkist here, and my channel icon where you can go ahead and subscribe right there, or you can scroll down when you subscribe to turn on notifications and leave a like and a nice comment. So yeah, hope you guys have a great Memorial Day's coming up, Memorial Day, and 4th of July. So stay bearded, stay faithful, peace.